Hi, this is for Theater Works for their new Works Festival. I'm doing, this is Randy Nazarian. I'm doing a small version of Sit Down, You're Rockin' the Boat, and also Honey Bun from South Pacific. We're backstage at that set, so here we go. I dreamed last night I got on a boat to heaven, and by some chance I had brought my dice along, and there I stood. And I hollered, someone fade me, but the passengers, they knew right from wrong. For the people all said, sit down, you're rocking a boat. The people all said, sit down, you're rocking a boat. And the devil will drag you under by the sharp lapel of your checkered coat. Sit down, you're rocking a boat. Sit down, you're rocking the boat. Now just a shortened version of Stop. Honey Bun. My gal is as dainty as a sparrow. Her figure is something to applaud. Where she's narrow as an arrow. And she's broad, where a broad should be broad. 101 pounds of fun, that's my little honey bun. Get a load of honey bun tonight. I'm speaking of my sweetie pie, only 60 inches high. Every inch is packed with dynamite. Her hair is blonde and curly, her curls are hurly-burly. Her lips are pips, I call her hips, twirly and whirly. She's my baby, I'm her pap, I'm her booby, she's my trap. I am caught and don't want to run, 'cause I'm having so much fun with honey bun. Believe me, son.